Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya would continue to receive heavy rain in the next 4 days. Jiva Resort makes efforts to beauty the busy commercial hub at Kandailat and Shillong. And Marwa Government Lower Primary School celebrates Golden Jubilee. And now the news in detail. The State Disaster Management Authority of Meghalaya has announced preventive measures to avoid the risk of heavy rainfall. The announcement was made after the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) issued a weather warning for states in northeast India. Heavy rains will lash Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram till April 2nd. IMD has issued a warning stating that heavy rain may lead to localized landslides, mudslides, localized flooding of roads and water lodging in low-lying areas at some places in South Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. IMD further added that maximum activity is likely on March 30th and 31st. Thunderstorms, lightning, hail and gusty winds with speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour will likely strike the region. IMD has cautioned people to remain indoors and avoid travel. Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, a campaign to reduce adverse consequences of drug abuse through a multi-pronged strategy, concluded today at Shillong. The campaign is implemented under the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction (NAPDDR) 2018 to 2025 under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Activities under the NAPDDR include awareness generation programs in schools, colleges, universities, workshop, and provisioning of treatment facilities and capacity building of service providers. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isa Wanda Lalu, said that youths should not be victims of drugs and other substance addiction. During the closing function, a musical skit was presented to highlight the message of drug abuse and reduction by local artists.
And our group who have lent, I think, vibrancy to
Jiva Resort at Kandailat and Shillong today bore a new look, with authorities making extra efforts to adorn the place with classic lampposts and flower gardens. Passers-by lauded the resort's authorities for the innovative idea to cover the busy commercial hub into natural surroundings. The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isa Wanda Lalu, expressed deep appreciation to the authorities of Jiva Resort.
We have a lot of people. We have people working with me. So in the break, they come and take care. So like that, we always try to clean our areas. Some of the areas we have a small van like that, see, for pickup, and we keep cleaning around wherever we find. Every day means 4 or 5 boys. They take watering and all these things, and once a week we go here and then clean. Localities and try wherever we find time. Like yesterday, we went to golfing. We did golfing, cleaning time a little bit. A lot of people are joining hands together. I have seen localities are very clean. Only the problem is that the crowd which comes from outside, no, they litter and go. So we call it the moving crowds, no? They come and they litter and go. So I think in villages and other, in the churches and temples, they should tell them when you go to Shillong, don't litter. Take a plastic bag, put your litter and come back. No, somewhere education outside. Because when I see the Kandailat and all that, or Barabaja, it's quite dirty there. I think so. And even our local government should put fine for littering or something like that.
Marwa Government Lower Primary School has celebrated Golden Jubilee. Marwa Government LP School was established on the 15th February 1971. The school at present has 7 teachers to provide education to the students. The member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, who represents Meghalaya constituency, Taibor Pathau, was the chief guest at the Golden Jubilee celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Pathau said, the school, which provides quality education to the economically weaker section of the society, should upgrade it to higher classes.
Golden Jubilee jungi kum kaslay taragan rat ubala Bangila Bandun Hagani Kapur Hagani Raki tindak Santosnam and up Niki to the Patla. Bamboo Patla.
Tapti. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The Chrism Mass, which the bishop concelebrates with priests from various regions of the diocese and during which he consecrates the sacred chrism oil, is among the principal manifestations of the fullness of the bishop's priesthood and is considered to be a sign of the close bond of the priest with him. For it is with the sacred chrism consecrated by the bishop that the newly baptized are anointed and those to be confirmed are signed. It is with the oil of catechumens that catechumens are prepared and disposed for baptism. Finally, it is with the oil of the sick that those who are ill are comforted in their infirmity. Today, the order of blessing the oil of the catechumens and of the sick and of consecrating the chrism is implemented in the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Shillong, as of Lent 2021. It presents a rich catechesis on the use of holy oil in the liturgical life of the Church. The oil is ordinarily blessed once a year during the Chrism Mass celebrated by the Archbishop together with his priests. With Archbishop Victor Lingdor as the main celebrant for the Chrism Mass, accompanied by Father Paul O. Lincott, Provincial SDB, Father Richard Majau, Vicar General and a large number of other priests. The Mass was celebrated in a solemn manner. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.